Stainless steel. Professional design. Induction-ready, mirror finish, classic looks, professional performance. Aluminum encapsulated base quickly and spreads heat evenly, eliminates hot spots. Premium cooking. Drip-free pouring, tight-fitting cover seals in moisture and nutrients for healthier, more flavorful results, every time you cook. Must-have features. Stainless steel cooking surface does not discolor, react with food or alter flavors. Measurement markings for ease of use. Cleanup. Dishwasher safe for an easy cleanup. Lifetime warranty. Refer to user manual for troubleshooting steps and questions surrounding warranty policies. This product is BPA free. Inspired by the kitchens of France, our elegant Cuisinart Chef's classic stainless cookware collection features stainless steel and pure aluminum encapsulated in the base for fast and even heating. Features. Induction-ready, mirror finish. Classic looks, professional performance. Aluminum encapsulated base heats quickly and spreads heat evenly. Eliminates hot spots. Top reviews from the United States. An excellent pot. Fantastic value for high quality. Love it. I was super torn on which fancy pants soup pot to get myself. This, or fork over mega bucks for all clad? People rave and rave about the superb quality of all clad for heat distribution. Would this pot bottom be thick enough, I wondered? Time to ask Mom. She has both brands. Guess the cooking obsession runs in our family. She claimed that this pot was excellent and worked fantastically well even compared to her fancier all-clad pots. So I ordered it. Lucky me, it was on sale for $40. This pot is excellent. Super sturdy, but not too heavy. I love the look of the heavy-duty rivets and I don't really understand why people gripe about them. Food does not get caught. They're rivets, not nail heads. I cook on a gas range and I like to caramelize my onions in the soup pot. This pot distributed the heat excellently. No burning or scorching. I have yet to make my Moroccan lamb stew, which does require the meat to be seared in advance. This will be a good test to see how effective this pot is at heat distribution. So far though, I am thrilled that I didn't spend 5 times as much on something that would function the same.